everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into my recent home entertainment upgrade saga. It's a tale of family drama, tough choices. Let's get into it. Picture this, it's movie night. The popcorn's ready, the kids are settled, and then our trusty 50-inch Samsung decides it's had enough after 14 years. Talk about bad timing. The kids were so upset, you'd think I'd cancelled Christmas and unplugged the Wi-Fi in one go. Now, I know what you're thinking. But wait, don't you have projectors? Well, yes I do, in the living room and my bedroom. But here's a shocking revelation. Sometimes we like to watch TV without feeling like we're in a cave. Groundbreaking, I know. So, off I went to the TV store, feeling like a kid in a candy store. And there it was, the LG OLED Evo G4. But then I saw the price tag. Time to look at more wallet-friendly options. It came down to these two beauties, the Samsung 75-inch and the LG OLED 77-inch. Picture quality, practically twins. Price, more like distant cousins twice removed. The LG was playing hard to get with my wallet, costing twice as much. As a loyal Samsung fanboy, the choice was clear. Sorry LG, it's not you, it's my bank account. And here it is in all its 75-inch glory. Now, let's talk about this TV's new best friend, the JBL Party Box. I know, it looks like it could double as a small car. But trust me, it's worth it. See, we are not just couch potatoes. Sometimes we venture into the great outdoors for barbecues and parties. And this bad boy, it's coming with us. It's like having a nightclub in a box. A very, very heavy box. Now, fun fact, I've already got one of these beasts in the bedroom with my projector. For a hot second, I considered getting a second one for downstairs, but then I remembered. The walls in this house are thinner than my excuses for eating the last cookie, and as much as I love testing my neighbour's patience, I decided one was enough for now. Besides, I still have this 800-watt Fenton party station paired with the JBL Party Box. It's like the party's embarrassing uncle, not as cool as the JBL, but he still knows how to have a good time. So there you have it folks, my upgraded setup. Big 75-inch screen, big 1600 watts of sound, and big dreams of the electric company not noticing the sudden spike in usage. Now, if you'll excuse me, I have some fundamental research to do. You know, testing the system for science. Yep, still works on the cooking shows. And the sports. What do you think? Did I make the right choices? Or should I have just knocked down a wall and built a home cinema? Let me know in the comments below. And hey, if you enjoyed watching me make questionable financial decisions, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Who knows what I'll buy next? A drive-in theatre? A concert hall? The possibilities are endless. Thanks for watching, and remember, life's too short for small screens and quiet parties. See you in the next one.